hey, can I just monkey ball pics with the guy behind the camera? I had to get him in this video because this is his favorite G.I. Joe. He brought his own to compare it, so we had to get him in the video to talk about Storm Shadow, G.I. Joe, Classified Series, Figure 14, Amazon exclusive. A lot of people are complaining that why would they make Storm Shadow Arctic mission before regular Storm Shadow? Well, the reason is it's an Amazon exclusive. The regular Storm Shadow will be everywhere. They're not going to limit one of the biggest characters to one store. They will mass produce it and give us all of we want. Snake Eyes versus Storm Shadow.
And we'll probably get it in the next wave. They've already shown one exclusive possible version of Storm Shadow, and it's him with his tattoos. Oh. Like the tattooed arm is going on.
Yeah.
So the artwork on that was badass.
Isn't that the I can't say it. Jessica Quinn or whatever. Quinn.
They're calling it the movie version. They're doing a movie version, Snake Eyes movie version, Storm Shadow. They're going to be exclusives.
I do know they pushed that movie back a year, October 2021.
Oh, for Snake Eyes?
I am very disappointed. Hasbro, whoever, no, just release it.
Movies are doing great.
Yeah.
Bill and Ted, come on.
Dude, let's see G.I. Joe, Snake Eyes, I want to see it. But, back to Amazon Cobra, Storm Shadow Arctic mission. This is our figure. If you want to show them in box, with Storm Shadow taking dive, window box has all those beautiful accessories. I love the classified 3 boxes. I like the artwork on back, which we'll get to, because instead, you know what? I take that back. I just thought of something. I think they should have gave us a file card on back to collect like the old school G.I. Joes. That would have been great. Or if they didn't want to mess up this artwork, they could have put a file card inside. Hasbro, once again, marketing geniuses for you guys. What collectors, what we want, because we are collectors. We're trying to get this to stand up. But file card, I usually can't.
It could be like a mission report.
Yeah.
Like a mission report file card.
Right? So, that would have been totally cool because I collect it on mine.
They put a lot of work into these boxes. And
they did.
Perfect.
They could just fit it in the package behind the figure, a file card that says, "Get Storm Shadow, real name unknown, origin unknown." Like they used to do. Why would you not give a file card? Okay, anyway, this figure is beautiful. Let's get to it. I'm going to give Ken, he's going to chop it. I'm going to give Ken the honor of opening it because this is his favorite G.I. Joe. There you go, buddy. Yes. Isn't this the one with like the ninja action?
Mm-hmm.
Where he moves his and he chops? Ninja psychic action. He's having trouble with the tape. Me, I just ripped that thing open. I have no shame in my game. Oh my God, so beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 accessories. In Roblox, came with one.
Two. You got sunglasses.
Okay. Okay, if you want to count that, he has a removable hood. So that'd be 7 accessories. How about that? So he had 7 accessories and one with robots. What's up with that, Hasbro? Look at, I would prefer they gave the sword a little bit of paint like they did with the bow. Oh, it does have
It'd be
paint.
good. And what I'll probably do is customize it and put the red.
That'd be beautiful. If you do that, send me a picture. I would like to see that. Would you like to see that? Comment.
Follow Monkey Paw Pics.
Follow us. Like, why have you not followed us yet?
This could have used some paint.
On the tip.
Tip.
Yeah,
Something.
hey.
Black on the feathers.
Hey, just the tip.
Just the tip.
Just the tip.
Same thing with this, you know.
Yeah,
But it's taking it back to the classic, where you know they didn't paint. That's what you got.
But okay, but look at that. Those have paint.
Yeah.
So how you have paint and no paint?
Oh my God! This unravels.
Yes. You have to have a grapple with rope. How would you form it? That's a beautiful paint job.
A bow with no string.
Well, they can't because people might try Jeffrey Epstein himself. They'll paint on the, oh, it has a spot for the sword.
Mm-hmm.
So he could carry all his beautiful weapons. Ninja, go ninja, go ninja, go. That's Ninja too, but we are talking about ninja. I can show you this beautiful little save they got going. Oh, look at that. Removable sword.
Ninja action.
Total ninja action. Shows the grabbing hook, unwinds without the rope, like the old G.I. Joes. That's beautiful. Nice. His little bow. That Ken doesn't like because it doesn't have a string. Which
I can put a string on it.
use some floss.
Some dental floss.
There you go. String that bow, buddy. String that bow. Little arrow so he can hold it like he's about to shoot people in the head. Some hunting. His little Tomb Raider arrow pickaxe or something. And then the figure himself.
Like, wait until you feel this. Like,
Yeah.
it just is nice.
It's nice. He said.
It's really nice.
He says it's nice.
You're gonna feel it. It's not cloth or leather or anything. It's just plastic, but
It's soft.
it's soft plastic.
So it's a little bit of flexibility.
Yeah. So when you're trying to do the
take
movements,
away the poses. Double New York ankle rockers has that posability. Double elbows. Wrist twist and bend. Elbow, shoulder, knees and toes.
it does have a little bit of the back and forth.
A little bit of butterfly effect in there. And it does have a removable hood. So you can go straight ninja style without the hood. So that is kind of cool. You can remove, put the hood either way. And then let's see how it feels. He wants me. I will say I'm impressed.
It's nice.
It's nice.
It's real nice.
It's nice. That is beautiful. I do like it. That's all the stuff you want from a 7-inch G.I. Joe. Amazing. It is hard to find since Amazon have been shipping these out sporadically. I was lucky enough to get mine shipped. Ken, what happened to yours?
I got a notification the day before it was supposed to drop or be delivered,
The day before.
and it said, "Well, you gotta wait another month."
They delayed it a month. So I'm going to have this one because it's his favorite. Because I'm just that cool. What do you think about this figure?
It, like, the details between the two.
It is a little bit updated. Though.
It did modernize it quite a bit. I would say probably took more from the cartoon than it did just the 3 3/4 inch. So they are re-releasing the 3 3/4 inches. The Snake Eyes, or not the Snake, the Storm Shadow is the first Storm Shadow that they have out. So we've been looking for that one too. We can't find that anywhere.
Oh my god, I can't find it.
Can't find nothing.
Can't find nothing. Can't find nothing.
But with this, has the
Ninja action.
Ninja action.
This is how you make sliced bread.
Gotta be careful so you don't break that rubber band in there.
Right?
But, I mean, just the straight detail in it, the fact that this was the first Storm Shadow they put out is just the best.
I don't know what people are complaining about. I think it's beautiful.
The only thing I'm complaining about is I don't have mine. I mean, I do now. But.
Well, he does now. But Amazon, what? Oh my god. I don't know what's wrong with Amazon.
Like I said, well, throw a little bit of additional paint on the tip of that, and do the end of the sword.
Does that have the design in the sheath too? Or is that just stitching? Or is that the ask or whatever, the coin logo? But yes, put a paint on that bad boy. Can't paint that good, that small.
I got little brushes. Really tiny little brushes.
That's what she said. I get that, yeah. So, this figure, all in all, would you recommend it?
9.5. 9.5.
9.5.
Out of 10.
At 10. That's how much he likes it. There's Arctic Mission, Storm Shadow, with removable board, lots of accessories. Beautiful figure. Beautiful figure. It is amazing.
Little brother.
He's doing the Big Brother Foundation.
This is a dad and son cosplay right here.
Why don't you do this with your kids?
Possibly.
No, you should get your daughter. That'd be legit. That would be legit. You would be dad, she'd be baby ninja. That'd be awesome. I would like to see that.
Maybe.
Don't maybe. We need a phone. Yes. Okay.
Comment below.
Comment below if you want him and his daughter to dress up as Storm Shadow and Baby Storm. I would like to see it.
Baby Storm Shadow.
Baby. So like, comment, subscribe. Tell what you want us to do next. What figures you want us to open, review, play with, make fun of. Either way, we need to start making fun of figures. I'm going to start doing that. There's a couple out there, just why would they make it? So anyway, there's a link below to donate to help us out. There's also a link below for Cerebral Palsy Foundation, which I would love it if you visit and tell what you want to hear. Other than that, say your goodbyes.
Peace out.
Bye.